So now I'm back over here in Los Algodones, and I'm getting something to drink because this is actually a weekday and it's kind of a celebration thing for some reason, because they're giving out free margaritas. So we'll see what else kind of trouble I can get into. I'm out here to get some medications and get back, but I'm with no schedule because it's what day is today? Wednesday. Of course, no one has a schedule on Wednesday, right? Tasty. Ah, yeah. Rowdy time, Los Algodones. Need to scoot up on that thing a little bit. He ain't gonna hold on very long at all. All kinds of free stuff, free water. We're having a little festival here. Didn't know this was going on. Just come on down. You never know what's going to happen in Mexico. Hey, what do you say around here on the street? Isn't that awesome? She's not naked. That's good. They're hooking them up. Everything is free. No cost. Look at, they're not checking IDs. I guess if you got gray hair, they don't care. The big stage going on here. A whole bunch of horn players, huh? Not quite as crowded down this way. There's still store after store. People, you walk that way. This is actually part of the sidewalk. They hustle you for stuff. It's nice. I like it. I had to hook my bag on my other wrist. So why do people go down here to Mexico? See these? They're really good. These are $7 for the box. So this would be like a $14 box of candy bars or higher in the US. And I got some medication. Let me see. I don't mind telling you about my medication if I can find it. Oh, here we go. So this is like Prilosec. Oh, it's also called omeprazole. So I can get 120 of these for $7. Yeah, try to get that at Walmart. You ain't getting it. I think in Walmart it is $12 for 14 tablets. So I get 120 for $7. This is actually cheaper than in my VA. And they're all name brands as far as Mexico goes. So, and I've been taking these for over a year. Not necessarily this brand, but omeprazole through Mexico, and haven't had an issue with them at all. I really enjoy it. So I got some other medications too. It's that kind of price difference. That's why people go down to Mexico. To include, you can get your teeth cleaned for like $30. Yeah, $30. And of course all the other medical and dental is same kind of price difference. That's why people go down there a lot. So, and another thing, do you need a passport to get across? No, definitely not to get across. You don't even need a driver's license to get across, to go to Mexico. To get back, yes. To get back, you need a valid military, not military ID, but you need a valid driver's license. And that's all it worked for me this time here. They didn't ask my passport. If you got a passport, it's a good thing. Go ahead and use it by all means. But if you forget your passport like I did today, just go ahead and use your driver's license. It works just as well. Now we're down here at the Santa Monica Beach Pier. Yeah, I know her. And that dog. A little cool today, it's in the 60s. But it's still a nice day. Alright, the dog. So we're here at the end of the Santa Monica Beach Pier. I'll show you what we're looking at. Ooh, look, roller coasters and fun stuff. Hopefully my gyro is doing this thing justice so it doesn't. It's not real shaky. It's a nice day for a walk though. Maybe 65. A little cool. The jacket. It's not bad at all. So we're gonna walk on down this way. So this area actually here is what's known as Muscle Beach, and you can see it because it even says on that big sign, Muscle Beach, which is known as Venice. So I'm gonna do me a pull-up over there. Oh, may give me a sticker out. But awesome things. You also got some vagrants here. Yay, little tent city thing going on. Actually, not a city, but there's a few of them here. Gotta have a lot of that, huh? And how about this? Pickleball. Lots and lots of pickleball. There's 8 courts here. There's another 4 down that way. Yeah, they get it. This is back down here in Venice, Muscle Beach. The workout area. All kinds of t-shirt shops and stuff on this side. Loud music. Venice Beach. It's a little cool today. It's just why it's so empty. Wind is blowing just a little bit, as you can tell. This is Chinatown. It's about 4 o'clock. The place is pretty empty. But this is got a lot of shops in here. There's about 9 or 12 blocks here that are not so nice. They have people on the side of the road selling stuff and vagrants. But look at this. I recognize that guy. It's Bruce Lee. The Bruce Lee statue. Kind of cool. He's a little larger than life. Probably about 1.5 times. A Bruce Lee statue. It says Bruce Lee Project. Keep off. Cool, right here in Chinatown. For 23. Got out before and I thought it was cool when I got. I was like, oh, 55. Nope. Let's just say there's snow on this side. Yeah, that's snow. It's April. The rest of it looks like this. You get some sun on us, not so bad. We're actually coming down this mountain range, which is due north of LA. I forget what it's called. San Claritas or something, I don't know. But it's pretty. Boy, was it a busy road. That's the road we're coming down there now. We're going for ourselves a train ride today. Good to choo-choo.
Good to choo-choo.
Choo-choo. For a train ride. We're going to take this Metro link all the way downtown to Union Station. Take you along with us and show you what's going on. Because we're here right now. So let's do this thing. Down the main hallway. Just got off the train. Look at the main. It's like ahead of us. It's like the main focal point of this building. It's been a long hallway there. Got the kind of looks like an airport, doesn't it? Kind of is, sort of. Take it to the airport, and they also got a tram here that takes you to Dodger Stadium. There's electronic too. Those kiosks right there, and get your ticket and everything. Then during the ride, they just might check you, and they did us. Francis, we're going to go on out that way here in just a minute. A big area here. Well, there's the outside of it. Now we're trying to cross the street. Oh, look, figures on the ground. Laying around everywhere. Looks like there's a celebration, a Spanish celebration going on over there. We'll think about going to that building right there, which is a firehouse museum. A bunch of these places. Sun is shining. A bunch of little shops. We're just right across the street from Union Station. From the exotic world of China. What you need from here is one of these. Oh, Nacho Libre. Okay, got a bunch of them. Check them out. Yeah, you need some of those. Awesome. Another train line back. This is Burbank, in case you're wondering. chatty teenagers in here with us.
Use handholds when moving through the train to the door. Burbank downtown is our next stop.